Yes, welcome. One is so excited. It's called Ayman Presents Hai Koi Jawab. Guys, you can react slightly, huh? Like, yeah, not even that much. Okay, let's get on with it. Here it is, semi-final number 1. I'll hold for some exciting music. And here we go. Christchurch is represented by Vrishab Mahida. Where are you? Put your hand up. There he is. Varad Girola, if I say it wrong, please correct me. And Vatsal Mamanya. Is that right? Vatsal looking a little tense, but I think he's a very confident man from what I remember from the last round when we met him. St. Mary's ICSE. And you guys are neighbors, neighboring schools. Pratham Marfatia. There he is. He's the silent type. Deliver the killer punch later. Alden Vaz. Said it right this time? Again, I said it wrong. Alden Vaz. Alden. Get it correct. Manas Garg. Can't get Manas wrong. Even I can't get Manas wrong. You guys ready? Enough of the chit-chat, joke, woke. Let's get on with it. State level to start off. We'll go straight to you guys here. Christchurch. Listen, Maharashtra government has decided to pass a bill to make which language a mandatory subject up to grade 10? 27 second men.
Marathi.
But you're asking me. Then you're telling me. But you said Marathi. Kai boltos? You're right. You're perfectly right. Bang on, spot on. Alright, so you got 100 points. Write it down. We turn now to the pressure on the debut batsman here from St. Mary's. The Maharashtra government, again state level, has launched a technology to improve its efficiency at e-governance. Additionally, it has also set aside 10 crores for developing this technology. What is it? Please take a punt, take a chance. Take a chance on me. Take a chance! Bhan! Oh, time off, time out. Sorry. Mary, sorry you have to hang in there while we give a chance to Christchurch. You have again, take a chance. No idea? Intech illa. The right answer is blockchain. You guys remember blockchain? Asked the question before, I'm here to help. Okay, let's move on to the next, in state level, the next question. It goes to you guys, and you're on the lead here, Christchurch. Maharashtra Environment Minister Aditya Thackeray on Tuesday set a target of May 1st for complete ban of what packaging material? Again, I shouldn't give hints, but fairly simple.
Single-use plastic.
Give me 5. Is it plastic? Take it back. Okay, great. Well done. Full marks. A lot of pressure on St. Mary's, but it's early days. You can come back easily. Your question, state level again. Facing the burn of its real estate slowdown, the BMC is considering taxing one of its key services. Okay? What is it? Time starts.
Is it parking?
It's good thinking on your part, but it's wrong. You are parking in the wrong place. Let's go here. Come on, Christchurch, quick.
Garbage collection and disposal.
I'll give it. Garbage collection is enough. The disposal and all kaun karte hai India mein. Don't take it too far. Don't put pressure on my government. We'll stop there. Okay, let's go to the next round. Okay, here we are. Which bank has signed a loan agreement of $210 million for Maharashtra's agribusiness and rural transformation project?
Canara Bank? Is it the Canara Bank?
No, it's not the Canara Bank. It's the World Bank. Dunia ka chip bank. Oh, I had to pass it over. Oops! I made a huge mistake for which I will be punished severely by doctors who are waiting outside to give me different kind of medication. But in the meantime, you will get a chance to get your 50 points. Sorry about that. 50 points go to you with a new brand question, but it's worth only 50 points because of the mess up by the bloody anchor, Rajdeep Sardesai. Oh, no, me. Okay, here's your question. For 50 only, remember. St. Mary's 23rd edition of National Conference on E-Governance 2020 was based on this theme, India 2020, Digital Transformation. Now, was it held in which city in Maharashtra, can you tell me? It's just the name of a city.
Is it Pune?
I'll take my time because we have time. I'll play with my hair for 2 seconds and then I will give you my answer, which is NOCO! Which means, I'll tell you, no. It's Mumbai. It was actually the simplest question because I messed up, we gave you a simple question. And then you messed up the simple question. So now there's a lot of messing up happening on this show. But we'll go right on to the next question. Who's the current governor of Maharashtra?
Bhagat Singh Koshyari.
The way he said it. This is how Virat Kohli plays the cover drive. You see, it's called aplomb in English. Aplomb. marks. Well done, well done. Full marks, 100. They're on the board. We have a fight, we have a contest. All right, we've reached the end of the state round, but we've got good news. The scores are 100 St. Mary's, 250 Christchurch. So they're well ahead, but still you can come back. Remember, lots of stuff happening, still rounds to go. All very excited as we move into the national level round. All right, St. Mary's, are you ready to come back hard? Where was the first confirmed case of coronavirus in India detected? 30 seconds.
Kerala.
Very good, 100. National level round, question 2 goes to you, Christchurch. What is the form of medicine which is officially declared by India as an effective treatment for coronavirus? Officially declared by India.
Homeopathy.
Wow. Fight became, as we say. Fight became. National level, next question. Tipping the hat to the Howdy Modi rally in Texas, President Trump's Ahmedabad rally is going to be called what? Your Howdy Modi. Now
Came Cho Trump.
Came Cho? Say again.
Came Cho Trump.
Very good. Majama. To give you the exact answer. All right, well done. So they're back and they're scoring well. We move now to you guys. How many seats did AAP win in the 2020 Delhi elections? Think for a second because one tally was changed by the morning. Huh?
62.
Very good. These guys are also very sharp, I have to tell you. I want to ask you some nonsense questions just to, separate the two of you, but I'm not allowed. Okay, national level, going next. Who won the Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2020? What? You don't know?
Bangladesh.
Very good. All right. Next question. If a president dies while serving the office, how long can the vice president act as president? If you got it, yeah.
Till the new president is elected and not till his death.
वो ठीक है, मगर in terms of month, can you quantify and tell me how long by law till the process is done, as you say? How long can we allow?
6 months.
Very good. Don't hold the clock. They're too sharp. Very good. 6 months is the correct answer. Okay. So we've ended the national level round and we now have the scores, which are 550 Christchurch, which is what I scored against Christchurch in Jal Shield final, and 402 St. Mary's ICSE. That's not bad at all. So you're there and thereabouts. Are we ready for international level, guys? Now they're all warmed up, their personalities are coming out, and I think they'll answer faster. After China, which country has the highest number of confirmed cases of coronavirus? It's a metaphor.
Japan.
Yes! International. Question 2, St. Mary's. Which country has become the largest source of FDI or foreign direct investment? That's 8 billion in investments in India during the first half of 2020, the financial year of 2020. And
Is it US?
US is not a country. USA is a country, but it's not. I have to transfer the question. Good try. Yes?
Japan.
What is it? Japan. Every answer can't be Japan. What's there? Japan. What's there? Japan. Who's behind you? Japan. It's not the right way to answer. There has to be more answers than one. But you're wrong. And the answer is Singapore. Guys, actually it was a bit of a trick question because nobody thinks of Singapore, small country. You did think of it? Anyway, tough one. We move on. Christchurch with international level question number 2408. On January 3rd, 2020, a US drone strike in Baghdad killed an Iranian general of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. What is the full name of this general? It was headlines across India and the world.
Qasim Soleimani.
Full name, father's name? Oh, that's good enough. That's my trick spin, yeah. Very good. Well done. And St. Mary's come back into the game. A country in the Middle East recently shot down a Ukrainian airliner carrying hundreds of passengers. What country was this? Come on, guys.
Iran.
There you go. Full marks. Well done. Back here in the international round circuit, which is going on for years, we have a question to you guys, which is a slightly easy one, I thought. But anyway, this year at the Oscars, Parasite won the Best Picture. Which movie won Best International Feature Film? If you follow the Oscar story, this would be so simple. Foreign film, best foreign film. It's the same thing. Joker, foreign film. It passes to you guys.
Parasite.
Yes. Well done. My mother says I'm a parasite because I live at home and live off her. But that's not the story that the South Korean director was trying to say. Guys, how did you get that wrong? Which movie won the award for Best Musical Score on the Oscars? I'll give you a hint. I'll play a tune from the movie.
Ford vs Ferrari.
Does this go? it goes. You want to try?
Joker.
Joker? You're right! It is Joker. Well done. Was that a guess? Tell me that was a guess. No, but then when I looked at you like that, you were a little worried. And now we've reached the end of the international round, and we have the scores, and they're closer than I thought. 550 for St. Mary's, 800 for these guys in the lead from the one and only Christchurch School. Both can still win. Obviously, they're in the lead. The pressure is on you guys, but they can still come back. We have a bit left. It's the visual round. Very simple. Look at the visual. I'll ask a question and you answer it. If it transfers, you get 100 points for winning on the second count as well. All right? Unlike the other round, this time you get 100 either way. So big one for you guys. Are we ready? We're going to start with Christchurch. Christchurch is ready. Let's take a look at the visual and then I'll ask you the question. Look at that screen. Okay. The House Speaker of the United States was not pleased with the State of the Union address from Donald J. Trump. So she decided to take matters into her own hands. Can you give me her name, please? Famous incident where she tears that speech of his. What's the name? Come on, everybody knows the name. Time's running out, guys. What? Transfer? Pass on? Give it.
LSELLIS.
LSE, London School of Economics. Okay, no, you had your chance. I have to give them a chance.
Nancy Pelosi.
That's the name, Nancy Pelosi. It's a very Indian name. What is wrong with you people? Oh, so they're coming back strong here. Let's see. You can get 200 points from this moment, which puts you almost neck to neck. St. Mary's, for an almost equal position. Take a look at this second visual here. Pictured here is a US gentleman from the US, well, let's say political setup, because it's difficult to quantify who he is at the moment. But he is a presidential candidate in the making. And he's very famous. Can you tell me who he is? He's a billionaire, if that helps.
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden is the wrong answer. Would you like to take a crack at this? 100 points. You got nothing to lose. There's no negative. Take a chance. You've still got a few seconds.
John.
John, as in that's a name in America which somebody will have. It's a good try, I guess. Well done, well done. That's not there. Because if you said Michael, we could have given you some marks. It's Michael Bloomberg. I said he's a billionaire. Oh, you knew it, like Singapore. You let us down twice. We will move on to the next, which is the audio round. But first, the scores. Okay, 650 for St. Mary's. 800, the guys looking like becoming the champions, and this is the make or break round for them, the audio round. So let's go straight to St. Mary's. Let's give you a chance first. Okay, you have to hear the audio clip and then I will ask you the question. So let's hear the clip. But I'm not asked the question, but just listen. Okay, now this audio clip is from Eminem performing his hit song Lose Yourself at an award ceremony 17 years after it first won Best Song. So name the award show. Simple.
Oscars.
Very good, very good. Well done. Mary's a taakat hai. They've got it. Let's go back to Christchurch, still in the lead. Here's your audio round experience. Listen first.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांना वंदन करून आणि माझ्या आई वडिलांचे स्मरण करून मी उद्धव बाळासाहेब ठाकरे.
Okay, the audio you heard was of CM Uddhav Thackeray, obviously. Where was the swearing-in ceremony held?
Shivaji Park.
Very good. Sahi jawab. Well done. And they get very good Frankies there. And they open early morning, unlike other Frankie outlets. Just remember that as something that you can store in your brain. Well done, guys. Well done. End of the audio round. Let's see the scores. And the scores are 900 Christchurch, 750 St. Mary's. And we go into the rapid fire round. This is really make or break. This is it. This is where the balance of power can tip. And it's very simple again. We will ask alternate questions. Rapid fire, it doesn't carry over. And you get your points or you don't get your points. Simple as that. Let's start first with Christchurch. Prince Harry and Princess Meghan took a break from royal duties. The royal couple will now be staying in which country? They moved to which country?
Canada.
Oh, you know everything about royal people. Very good, very good. Okay, ready? The entire government of this country is resigning to make way for the reforms proposed by their leader. Can you name the country and the said leader?
Russia and Vladimir Putin.
Beautiful, excellent. This is where they are their best, the rapid fire. Next one goes to Christchurch. In 2019, US President Donald Trump made history by becoming the first sitting US president to visit this country, despite the sometimes deep tensions between the two nations. First US president to visit this country. Come on. Rapid fire, not very long. Bol, jaldi
Russia.
bol. What did you say?
Russia.
No carryover. Okay, what are the official titles of Prince Harry? I apologize to Britain. Of Prince Harry and Princess Meghan. Official titles, rapid fire.
Duke and Duchess of Sussex.
It was the official title because they've resigned. So now they're just Duke and Duchess, but no Sussex. Okay, that brings us to the next rapid fire question. We'll squeeze this in. Who's the only Republican Party senator to vote against acquitting Donald J. Trump? Against the party line, against the party whip. No? Don't remember? It's Mitt Romney, personal friend, Mitt Romney. Okay, number 6, which goes to you. Who won the last Super Bowl?
Texas.
No. And it's Kansas City Chiefs. Kansas City Chiefs. You don't follow American sport at all, huh? How sad. When you get your green card, what are you going to do? Oh, he's not saying no. Okay, rapid fire continues with you guys. How many stars are on the flag of the Republic of China?
5.
Yes, well done. Which animal is found to be the origin of the deadly coronavirus outbreak in China? It's not confirmed, but
Bats.
well, it's the.
It's actually, they say it's bats, but they also have another animal which is the pangolin.
I'm going to give you that. I'm going to give you that. That's the right answer. I have a pet pangolin at home, and that brings us to the end of the rapid fire round, and we will have the scores in a second. Okay, here it is, the big moment. The scores are 1,000 for you guys and 900 for Mary's. But keep in mind, we have the informal round, which is right now, and we can make any points out of that, depending on how close you are to my family, you know, anybody who works with me, you know, but for Indians, we have certain flexible rules, and why not? Culture should be proud of who they are. So are we ready for informal round? Sab log ready hai? You've had a few seconds to think, and the question is, how would you guys, if given a chance, contain the coronavirus? Difficult question. Let's see what they come up with. Who wants to go first? Mary's wants to go first? Okay, great. There you go.
All imports which come as form of food should be contained and not brought to India before checking and inspecting, because food was a major source of the spread of the virus. You need to quarantine all Chinese people who are coming towards India, because it's a very necessary step. People showing symptoms should be admitted as soon as possible. Disinfecting the cities is one of the major measures. You need to sell breathing masks, so because it's an airborne disease, it would be better. And mostly there should be a travel ban placement towards some areas in China like Wuhan, because it's a epicenter of this turmoil. And
so you basically outlined everything that's in place at the moment, but that's good. That means you're part of the government strategy of many governments. I like that, but let's give them a chance now.
So, can I just add
yeah,
to what he
you're not
said?
happy with your colleague. You want to put in 20% more. Yeah.
What the government is currently doing in China can be said as inhuman, because quarantine some people for 1 month is not acceptable to the family members, especially if you have read the newspaper. In the Mirror, there was an article saying a father is extremely worried about his daughter who's in a ship and she's not returned home for several days. So you cannot do something like that. And there are virals, but I don't know how far it is.
If she's got the virus, then what do you want them to do?
No, but the government has not,
Confirmed.
it's not confirmed that whether she's tested positive or negative. And secondly, we should establish more labs for the checking of this virus. You know, in India currently we've got only one virological lab in Pune. So establishing more of these labs will, speeden up the process.
Okay,
Like
you scared everybody watching the show. Everybody's really now worried.
So
I think it's doom and gloom all over the country.
that's one thing. And generic medicines, that's really very important. How much ever the government tries, there are always these industrialists who, they have their own profits, but we cannot.
You're saying to bring down the medicine
Yeah.
price, so it's available to everybody and it's easy.
Yes.
Okay, good point. Very long point though. In the meantime, coronavirus got cured. But what are you guys have something?
So we know the virus did not originate in India. So basically, the idea is to quarantine people, and especially the
So like ethnic cleansing throughout all the foreigners?
no, nothing like that. But because immigration from China at the airports, it should be censored. I mean, Chinese people. I'm
But
not
it's
being
already
rude.
spread beyond China, na? So you can't...
Yes, I know. But all those at the airports arriving who are trying to immigrate into India,
But they're
they
doing
should.
that. They're doing that. That's what they're trying to do.
And then we should be installing masks everywhere in the country so that it's contagious. It's communicable
Yes,
through
and
air.
I think
so
also
yes.
because some men are ugly, so you just make them wear it anyway, even if there's no virus. Yes, sir.
And homeopathy is going fine. So maybe because.
And that's cheaper.
Yes,
So we come back to
because
his
the
point.
World Health Organization has already said it'll take at least 8 to 10 months to find a proper cure to it. So
Right.
homeopathy is kind of working, and then you have quarantining people, which is
What if you get a
important.
free trip to China now as a prize for winning
No,
the show?
no,
Would
no
you go?
need. No, I don't want to go.
First
in
class,
No.
7-star hotel, golf course, whatever food you want. Take a companion, take the whole
Food,
school.
seriously, no, not at all.
Tell you value your life too much, I say. Unbelievable. All right, so we've heard from both of them. Give us a second while we tabulate the scores and get back to you with the winner. And we've got the scores, and they were close. It was a good fight in the end because it started with this school running away from that school, and I'm not able to focus on who was winning because I don't have a calculator, so I sit and write things down. But at the moment, 950 for St. Mary's, almost there. But the winner and going into the final is Christchurch School with 1,050 points and no coronavirus as of now. Well done, guys. By the way, they got 50 points each for that last informal round effort. Well done. Hope nobody's offended. It was just a fun quiz. You guys are all great. I'm sure one day you'll be governors, chief ministers of various states and doing well for India. And you've got to get that cough sorted out because some of the participants are getting worried. What this virus thing running around.